Friends, there are so many ways to provide input to your Unity game. It may be on touch, it may be on mouse, it may be from your keyboard, it may be your up arrow, down arrow, left and right arrow. Hello friends, my name is Ramkesh Singh and you are watching Nested Mango channel. And this video for those developers who want to convert their PC game into Android and iOS. So let's start today's video. And friend, I'm really very excited about because most of beginner developer face such kind of problem when they want to convert their PC game or they're working on any game that provide the input from their up, down and left arrow. So friends, it's a very easy and you can do by providing your virtual joystick. So what is the virtual joystick? Friend, you know very well what is the joystick. Joystick is a device and we use to play the video game. But now we are going to implement that how we can implement on your game and it will work for your Android and iOS. So first you have to take your image. You can take any image, and when you will take image, so it will be in the canvas, because you know very well when you take anything for UI it will in canvas. So just change your name virtual joystick and then change the width and height. So I'm taking 200 and 200, and you can take any, and then you can use any image. You can just say to your designer, she will make or he will make. So just I have choose knob because I don't want to use any image. It's just a demo, so I'm just using knob because the knob is also circular, so we can work with that. And then on virtual joystick I'm taking another image. So another image is child. So just follow the same, just choose knob for this. So just click on the joystick and then click on the source image. So friends, it's a very easy, that's just you have to follow and you have to choose knob, and then you can see that there is a big circle, and inside that big circle there is a small circle. So we are going to add one script, and friend, this script I will provide in the description box. You can download from there. And friend, when you download it, so you have to just add on it, and when you will have this script, so you can work with joystick in just 2 minutes. So this is the tutorial, so just I have to explain everything. So friends, what you have to do is that you have to create one script, and I have given this script virtual joystick, and then you have to implement few interface. So you know very well what is the interface, and interface is simply that there are methods, they don't have any definition. So friends, you can see that I have taken 3 interface, and you know very well if there is an interface, so there must be their own method. So just I have taken 2 images, so that is the background and one is joystick. So just I am just getting their component. So it's a very simple thing you can do by writing this get component. And then I have taken joystick as a child, so I am getting child 0. So that is I have given transform.get child 0. So that is the position which one I want to take. And then input direction is a very important thing for your touch on the joystick. So it will take input from your keyboard and it will convert in as an input in joystick. So friends, it's a very simple, and you can see that I have taken the interface, and then every interface have their own method. So you can see that there are 3 eye dragger handler, and then eye pointer, and then third one. So friend, you can see there are methods. So I will provide you a link. You can download this script, and if you are able to understand this script, so it is a very good thing, and if you are not, so you can just directly use this script, and it's a very simple. I have written this script, and if you want to learn, if you want to understand, so you can understand this script very easily. So just take a one look and just download it, and you can see that this is the position because inside the big circle there is a small circuit, and when you will click on that circle, so it will be just move left, right, up and down, means in the four direction. So it's a very simple, and this is another method, that is virtual void. So there are three methods because I have implemented three interface, and friends, this interface provide three methods. So friends, basically what is the method about it, that uh, where you are just moving your cursor, where you are moving your virtual joystick. So friends, there is a few important lines, that is I have written float horizontal. Friends, you can see that this is the code you have to learn, you have to understand, because by understanding this code you will able to perform. So friend, this is horizontal, and I'm checking that input direction dot x is greater than 0, means this, if it will give positive value, so your object will move right side because x is positive. And if you don't want to provide your positive and negative, so you can just write it input direction dot x is not equal to 0, means it will provide any value, it may be your positive, it may be your negative, so it will give it will goes right side or left side. So it will depend upon your input direction dot x. So what I have done, that I want that when someone drag right side, so my ball should go right direction, and when someone click on left, so I have written horizontal 1, and in that input direction dot x is less than 0, means it will go left side. And then same method I have written float vertical, in this that input direction dot z. So if it is greater than 0, so my ball will go in z direction. And friend, you have to just understand your game view, and then you have to write this code. So friends, if less than, then my ball will goes down, means towards the downside. So friends, just go on the go on that script where you want to place that joystick, means there must be one object where you want to perform your joystick action. So I want to perform my joystick action on my ball, so I have just make an object of that script, means I have made one object of joystick class, and then I have just written there where my code, where my input from keyboard. So you can see that my joystick dot vertical means my joystick is object, and vertical is the method that I have taken in the joystick class. So you can see that I am calling that my joystick dot vertical, this is for up, so I am taking in direction is up as a input, and then you can see then I have also taken down, and I have also taken right and left. So what you have to do is that you have to add that script on the ball. So I have added on the ball, and you can see that there is a one, it is asking for reference. So move joystick, there is a reference, so just click on the ball and pass that reference. So you have to pass that reference where you have added virtual joystick script. So I have added on the virtual joystick script on the virtual joystick. So just pass that reference on the ball, because I want to perform joystick action on the ball. So I have passed this, so it will work properly when you play the game. You can see that I am able to move on the forward, I am able to move on the backward. So hope you understand, you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.